In today's episode, we will be discussing about conflict resolution in neurodivergent relationships. At least one neurodivergent partner is involved in neurodiverse romantic relationships. Neurodiversity refers to the variation in neurological differences that occur naturally in all humans, with 15 to 20% of the population classified as neurodivergent. Neurodivergence is most commonly associated with autism and ADHD, but it also applies to people who have dyslexia, sensory processing difficulties, dyspraxia, dyscalculia, synesthesia, OCD, and other common brain variations. The most difficult conflicts in neurodiverse relationships stem from individuals' inability to understand the differences in how each partner processes information. Jumping to conclusions and mind reading is another sign. It is common in any relationship for partners to jump to conclusions during conflict based on their individual interpretations. This is amplified in neurodiverse relationships due to differences in how both partners process information. It is more likely that one or both partners will misunderstand or misinterpret what occurred. It is very common for both partners in a relationship to feel misunderstood due to differences in perspective. Feeling befuddled. It is very common for both partners in a relationship to feel misunderstood due to differences in perspective. Neurotypical partners frequently believe that their partner is unwilling to try harder or cares enough. Neurodivergent partners frequently believe that their partner lacks patience and/or is difficult to please. Defensiveness or the perception of defensiveness. Defensiveness is more common in neurodiverse couples because one person's brain may view something in the relationship as acceptable while the other does not. It is also common for the neurodivergent partner to feel as if they must constantly explain themselves, leading to hypervigilance, guilt, and shame. This constant stalemate in communication creates a dynamic in which both partners are on edge whenever conflict arises. Ignoring differences. Neurotypical partners may find it difficult to understand how their partner's brain processes information differently. As a result, they maintain the expectation that their partner will think, react, and behave similarly to a neurotypical person. While most couples struggle with some aspects of relationship dynamics, neurodivergent brains have a harder time monitoring and managing certain emotions and behaviors. Difficulty managing impulsivity. Difficulty reading nonverbal cues are common differences in neurodivergent people. Dysphoria due to rejection, overwhelm, both sensory and emotional difficulties with executive function, special interest obsession and low frustration tolerance. Because of the deep resentment of not being able to understand each other, neurodiverse relationships tend to drift apart. To ensure the success of your neurodiverse relationships, you must first understand the differences in how you and your partner process information, and how this affects your ability to understand each other. It's critical for you and your partner to understand how you process information differently, respect those differences, and learn to set realistic expectations around them. Make a list with your partner of the things that you both struggle with. Perhaps one partner can focus on trying to listen more attentively, while the other focuses on understanding that this may be difficult for their partner. When it comes to potentially contentious topics, make it a point to communicate directly and clearly. Use soft startups and give your partner the benefit of the doubt. Some people prefer time-limited phone conversations, video calls, or letter writing to face-to-face conversations. Remember that as long as the relationship is not abusive, there is no right way or wrong way, just two different perspectives. Recognize the significance of sensory issues. Recognize your own sensitivities to light, sound, touch, smell, taste, and sense if you are the neurodivergent partner, so you can communicate them to your partner. Understand how these can affect your partner's nervous system, and how their ability to manage them is compromised if you are the neurotypical partner. Honoring and trying to meet these basic nervous system regulation needs can help to develop intimacy and bring the relationship closer together. Timeouts should be practiced. If you feel misunderstood or unable to understand your partner, practice taking a break from the interaction. Discuss the purpose of timeouts and how you intend to use them to investigate various possibilities for what happened ahead of time. If navigating your relationship feels too difficult, consider seeing a couples therapist who works with neurodiverse couples. Many times, having someone who can provide information and tools to navigate relationship challenges is exactly what your relationship requires. We post a new video every day. The channel is directed towards providing you a daily dose of content centered around how to make money, living a financially fulfilled life, learning how to optimize your relationships in life, and providing a boost in your morale through our motivational videos. If you liked this video, then you need to watch the next one. Kindly click on the image hovering on your screen to see the next related video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. We always appreciate hearing from you.